4 years ago, I was deep in debt. Negative $30,000 with nothing saved. No investments. No backup plan. Just stress and constant pressure. Every paycheck felt meaningless. It came in and disappeared instantly. Before I could even enjoy it, it was already gone. Bills were always waiting for me. Rent, debt, and daily expenses. Everything needed money at once. And I couldn't keep up. I felt stuck in a loop. Working hard but going nowhere. No progress. No breathing space. Just survival mode every day. Then I had a realization. If nothing changed, nothing would change. No one was coming to save me. It was on me to fix it. So I changed my mindset first. I stopped chasing quick money. I focused on long-term growth and committed to consistency. The first step was simple. I tracked every single expense. Every dollar had to be accounted for. No more guessing where money went. I cut unnecessary spending. Things I didn't really need. Impulse purchases had to stop. I focused on essentials only. It wasn't about feeling restricted. It was about gaining control. For the first time, I had a plan, and that changed everything. Next, I focused on my debt. I picked one target at a time. No overwhelm. Just focus. One step forward each day. I made extra payments whenever I could. Even small amounts counted. Consistency was more important than waiting for big moves. I started finding ways to earn more. Side hustles, small gigs, anything. More income meant faster progress. And I took advantage of that. Slowly, the numbers started dropping. Debt that felt impossible became manageable over time. And that gave me hope. Each small win built momentum. Each payment boosted confidence. I started believing in the process, and that kept me going. Then I realized something important. Cutting expenses has a limit. You can only reduce so much, but income can keep growing. So I shifted my focus. I worked on increasing my income. I looked for better opportunities and invested in my skills. I learned things that pay, skills I could use anytime, things that create value and bring in real income. Over time, it started working. My income began to increase, not overnight, but steadily. And that changed the game. Once debt was under control, I didn't just save money. I started investing regularly. Even if it was small, consistency became my strategy. Not timing the market, not chasing trends, just showing up every time. Then compounding kicked in. My money started growing faster than I expected, and it kept building. Fast forward for years later, everything looked different. The stress was gone, and I was in control. No more debt hanging over me. Investments growing steadily, multiple income streams active, and a solid financial base. From negative $30,000 to over $200,000 net worth. Not luck, just consistency. Start small and build your way up.